Hi friends, so welcome back to our channel Gems Info. Already recently గా RGUKT ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అనేది సెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ నిర్వహించబోతుంది. సో సెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో మంచి మార్క్స్ రావాలంటే మీకు తెలుసు ఆల్రెడీ మ్యాథ్స్ 50 మార్క్స్ ఉంది. సో దాని గురించి మనం కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అయితే ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్, మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ప్రతి చాప్టర్ నుండి కవర్ చేస్తూ మనం నేర్చుకుందాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో అయితే ఇప్పటి వరకు మన ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయని వాళ్ళు వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ కూడా నొక్కండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. అయితే మనం చూద్దాం లేట్ ఎందుకు వీడియోలోకి. సో నౌ ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్నారు మ్యాథ్స్ 50 మార్క్స్ టోటల్ సెట్ లో. సో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇఫ్ HCF ఆఫ్ 65 అండ్ 117 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 65m minus 117 దెన్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ m ఈజ్. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆల్రెడీ మనకు తెలుసు మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్, ఓకేనా. సో ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్స్ కూడా ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. అయితే ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ కాబట్టి ఆప్షన్స్ రాశాను. సో నెక్స్ట్ నుండి నేను ఆప్షన్స్ అనేవి నేను మెన్షన్ చేయను, ఎందుకంటే టైం టేకింగ్ ప్రాసెస్. ప్రాబ్లం ఎలా చేయాలో మనం నేర్చుకుందాం ఫస్ట్. అయితే HCF, highest common factor, and another name, very well, HCF, another name is, very well, GCD, greatest common divisor. Okay, what are the given numbers actually? Given numbers 65, 117. So HCF given, HCF is equal to 65m minus 117. First of all, I want to find the HCF. So many methods are there. I will find very easy method. 65. So 117, 65 1 is 65. So here very well 2, here 5, 52. So again this method very well, long division method. 52 1 is 52. So here 13. So again this number here we have to write very well first and second like this. 13 4 is a 52. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. So when the remainder is 0 here, what is the divisor here? 13. 13 is the HCF. So now HCF is 13. So but already very well HCF of the given problem already given 65m minus 117. So friends here, so 65m minus 117 equals to 13 because it is the HCF from problem and this is the HCF from our solution. So both are equal. So now 65m equals to 13 minus becomes plus. So 117. So 65m equals to here very well 130. So m equals to transposing it becomes by 65. So very simple, 65 1s are 65 2s are 130. So what is the m value? M value is the 2. So what is the correct option here? B. So friends, B is the answer. Friends, here second question here, by which digit the value of 4 to the power 2020 ends? Here not asking the value, ends nothing but we have to find units place digit. Units place digit or ones place digit. So here very well 4 to the power 2020. So end with what? We have many here digits, but what is the ending digit here you are asking. So for example 4 power 1 very well 4 square 64 16 very well, and 4 cube 64 like this. You observe 4 to the power 4 256. So here you observe 4 power 1 end with 4, 4 square end with 6, 4 cube end with 4, 4 to the power 4 end with 6. So you observe when odd numbers are there end with 4. Here even numbers are there, powers end with 6. So by the conclusion we can say if it is odd number then end with 4, even number end with 6. So friends here 2020 it is a even number. So even number, so end with what? Even number means very well 6. So what is the ending digit here? 6 is the answer. So what is the option? C is the answer friends. So very simple here. So next question. Friends here now third question, if one of the zeros of quadratic, Q nothing but quadratic polynomial k minus 1 of x square plus kx plus 1 is minus 3. So quadratic polynomial very well degree 2 and one zero given minus 3. So here one variable, one letter is there, one letter that is k. We have to find the k value. Here options already given. Okay, so already one zero given. Let I am taking here p of x is a polynomial that is a k minus 1 x square plus kx plus 1. So friends here one zero given that is minus 3 already given. So that's why in place of x we have to substitute minus 3 and we have to take equal to 0. So friends here, so here p of minus 3 equals to 0. Now in place of x we have to substitute minus 3. So in place of x we have to substitute minus 3. Now I'm substituting here k minus 1 into x square, nothing but minus 3 square plus k of, in place of x, minus 3 plus 1 equal to 0. So here k minus 1 into minus 3 whole square is a 9, and plus into minus, minus 3k plus 1 equals to 0. So here multiply with 9 into k. 9 into k is the 9k minus 9 ones are 9 and minus 3k plus 1 equals to 0. So here k terms, 9k minus 3k is the 6k. So minus 9 plus 1 is a minus 8 equals to 0. So 6k minus becomes plus 8. So k equals to 8 by 6. So 2 4s are 2 3s are. So answer is 4 by 3. So what is option here? A is the correct, friends. So next question here. So friends, here next question, the value of log 1.3 bar to the base 3 by 4 equals to what? Here asking value, but friends here options are given. First of all we should find here log 1.3 bar to the base 3 by 4. Base okay, but here this one is the 1.3 bar. We have to find the value of 1.3 bar. Bar numbers how to find you know very well. So let x equals to 1.3 bar 3 like this you know very well, and multiply with 10 you know very well. So 10x. So it becomes you know 13.33 like this. So here x 1.33 like this you know very well. Subtraction. So minus it is a 9x. So 12.00. So x equals to 12 by 9 you know very well. So 3 3s are 3 4s are. So what is the value of that? 4 by 3. So now I am substituting here 1.3 bar nothing but here 4 by 3 to the base 3 by 4. Actually observe options are different here. So actually here 4 by 3 or 3 by 4, but now I am writing log, I am writing 4 by 3 3 by 4. So because the base is 3 by 4, but actually it is wrong. But when it is correct, if you write whole to the power minus 1, this answer is correct, because you know very well a by b whole power minus m equals to b by a whole to the power m. When you change the numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. Now power will be negative. So the power comes front, you know very well, the property into log 3 by 4 to the base 3 by 4. So minus 1, you know very well this one, log a to the base a, value 1. So 1, so what is the answer here? Minus 1 into 1 is the minus 1. So what is the correct option here? Minus 1, that is a C. Okay. So next here you observe, friends, now next problem here, sets problem is very important. So and here total we have to practice Venn diagrams and operations and everything. So it is a very easy, but many students are confused about these problems. Now let us see one problem here. If a subset b, n of a equals 25, n of b equals 35, then what is the value of n of a intersection b? N of nothing but cardinal number. How many elements are there in the a intersection b? That is the question. But here a subset b nothing but a, here b. So this is the a subset b Venn diagram, you know very well. So actually how to find the answer? A subset b. Generally a intersection b, actually it is a intersection b Venn diagram. So here a intersection b, a is a smaller circle, b is the big circle. So a intersection b nothing but smaller one is the answer a, and a union b you know very well the bigger one is the answer b. So generally this is a problem. So here concept. So n of a intersection b, it becomes you know very well n of a nana. And here n of a union b is a n of b. This is a concept here. So here n of a intersection b you are asking. So directly we can say, we can write n of a nana, n of a. So n of a answer what? 25. So that is the answer here, 25. Because it is a subset b answer. That's why here 25. For example, you are asking n of a union b. N of a union b nothing but direct to b. And n of b is the answer 35. But here asking a intersection b. N of a intersection b answer is 25. So next problem here. So friends, here now another question from polynomials. If alpha comma beta are the zeros of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, you know very well it is a quadratic polynomial, then what is the value of alpha square plus beta square? Here asking. So options are given. Write alpha square plus beta square, and alpha comma beta are the zeros. Generally, you know very well two things. Sum of zeros, you know, sum of zeros nothing but alpha plus beta minus b by a. Here you observe ax square plus bx plus c. Order is there. So minus b by a. Minus b by a nothing but, you know, minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. That is a minus b by a. Next alpha into beta, product of zeros, constant c by a. A nothing but coefficient of x square. These are the values you know very well. So how to find alpha square plus beta square? We have one formula, that is a plus b whole square formula. So a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So from this formula we can write alpha plus beta whole square. Alpha plus beta whole square formula. So alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta value we know very well. And here this is a question, Anna. Alpha square plus beta square, that is a question. So 2ab term transposing to LHS minus. So alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta equals 2. Okay. So alpha square plus beta square. So substitute here. Alpha plus beta value minus b by a. So minus b by a. Here square is there. Square is there. So minus 2 into alpha into beta value c by a equals to alpha square plus beta square. So here you observe minus b whole square is the b square by a square minus 2c by a equals to alpha square plus beta square. So here a square minus a, LCM is the a square, nana. So directly b square minus 1a is there, you write 1a, and 2ac. So minus 2ac equals to alpha square plus beta square. So this is the answer here. So b square minus 2ac by a square. So this is the option. Option D is the correct. So next problem. Friends, our next problem in cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Observe చేయండి, x plus y plus 10, అదే విధంగా y plus 20, అదే విధంగా x plus y minus 30, dx plus y. Any angle also not given directly. It is a cyclic quadrilateral, and we are asking angle B. Angle B is the question. So angle B, you observe y plus 20. If you know the y value, then you will conclude that angle B. Options are given. So I drawn one figure. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. So in cyclic quadrilateral, one point, opposite angles are supplementary. It means angle A plus angle C equals to 180, and angle B, angle D. Angle B plus angle D equals to 180. In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. So angle A means x plus y plus 10 plus angle C nothing but x plus y minus 30 equals to 180. So here x is the 2x, y is the 2y, 10 minus 30 is the minus 20 equals to 180. So 2x plus 2y, so 180 minus becomes plus 20. So 2 common here. So x plus y equals to 200 here. So 2 ones are 200s are. So x plus y equals to 100. It is the equation number 1. Then second one, here B, angle B is the y plus 20 plus angle D is the x plus y equals to 180. B and D here. Okay. So x plus y is the 2y. So 180 plus 20 becomes minus 20. So x plus 2y equals to 160. It is the equation number 2. X plus 2y equals to 160. We have elimination method. So I am doing subtraction here. Minus minus minus. So x get cancelled. So here plus y minus 2y is the minus y. So 100 minus 160 is the minus 60. So what is the y value here? 60. So y value 60. So angle B. So angle B equals to y plus 20 nothing but 60 plus 20 is the 80. Angle B is the 80. So option B is the correct. Okay. So next problem. So friends, next to which of the following is quadratic equation? Here 4 options are given. So here among 4, 3 are not quadratic equations. Only one is quadratic equation. We have to identify the quadratic equation. So first one you observe x square. Okay, here minus 3 root x. Root x means x power 1 by 2 kada. Here power should be always positive integer, but here 1 by 2 is a rational number, so it is not a quadratic equation. So here what is LCM? X is the LCM. So x into x square plus 1 equals to x square is there. So x transposing to RHS, it becomes into. So it becomes x cube. So it is also not quadratic equation. So next we observe. So what is the LCM here? X square. Here also x square LCM by 1. So x square into x square, x power 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Here also power is 4. So here also it is also not quadratic equation. So friends, 3 are not quadratic. So remaining what? Last one is a quadratic equation. You have to check. If you have doubt, you can check. So this is a quadratic equation. The power, you observe the power. Power should be positive integer. Positive integer. And the coefficients. Coefficient should be any real number. Any real number. So this is the important point. So next question. So friends, here if x plus 2 comma 2x comma 2x plus 3 are 3 consecutive terms, consecutive nothing but serial terms of an AP, then what is the x value? AP you know very well, common difference. So already given these 3 terms are in AP, therefore difference is common. It means you know very well A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3 equal, common difference. Okay, difference is common. So here first term, that is the A1 x plus 2, second term is the A2, that is the 2x, third term is the A3 2x plus 3. So already given these 3 terms are in AP, that's why difference is common. So A2 minus A1 answer equal to A3 minus A2. Why we are writing equal? Because 3 terms are in AP. So A2 nothing but 2x minus of, minus is there, right in bracket, x plus 2 equals to A3 is the 2x plus 3. So minus A2 is the 2x. Okay. So next over here, 2x minus x minus 2 equals to plus 2x minus 2, it cancel here 3. So 2x minus x is the x. So minus 2 equals to 3. So x equals to 3, minus 2 becomes plus. So x equals to 5. So what is the correct answer here? C is the answer. So here AP, that's why difference is common. So here A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2, that's why we got x value 5. So what is the option here? Which option is correct? C is the correct. So next problem here. So friends, here we observe if the points A 1, 2, O 0, 0, C A, B are collinear points, then here one relation is that, okay, you know very well, when 3 points are collinear, area becomes 0. So area formula you know very well, 1 by 2 mod x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2 mod. So equals to 0. Why? Because collinear points. So here x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. So friends, substitute 1 by 2 mod x1 means 1 of y2 minus y3, 0 minus b, plus x2 0 of y3 b minus y1 is the 2 plus x3 is the a of y1 2 minus y2 is the 0 equals to 0. So 1 by 2 mod 1 of minus b, 0 into something is 0. So friends, here 0 into something is 0. A of 2 minus 0 is the 2 equals to 0. Now by 2 is the transposing to RHS into 2. So 1 by 2 not there here. So 1 into minus b is the minus b, 0 plus 2 into a, 2a. So equals to 0 into 2 into 2. Here by 2 is there into 2. So 2a I am writing first, minus b equals to 0 into 2 is the 0. So 2a minus b equals to 0. So 2a equals to b. So here what is the answer here? C is the correct answer. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇది మ్యాథ్స్. సో 50 మార్క్స్ కాబట్టి ఎక్కువ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయండి, ఈజీగా సీట్ వస్తుంది. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఇలాంటి మోడల్ పేపర్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అనేది జరుగుతూనే ఉంటుంది మీ ఎగ్జామ్ అయ్యేంత వరకు. సో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ కూడా నొక్కండి, ఎందుకంటే నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్, బాయ్.